All right, so welcome back. We got our polymeric sand, and this is what we're gonna be doing today. My wife went ahead and cleaned out all the leaves and stuff that have been falling through, and we took the blower to it, blew out as much stuff as possible. So now we want to go ahead and start get this filled, especially since it's not wet outside, because this stuff will start to set up and then it'll be on top of your blocks, and you don't want that. But what we're using today is the 1/2 inch to 6 inch, just because we do have, you know, some decent sized gaps. Kind of wish the forms didn't have those little tabs in the center, and I could show you. I mean, because each one of these tabs on each side gives you that thick opening there. You can kind of see it. I mean, it's not too bad, but you know, I would have liked them to been a little bit closer, but came out good. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it today, and this is a 15-year, so hopefully it'll last 15 years. And it's called Gator Dust, and there's your gator. They make all different companies. I mean, Quikcrete, all of them, they have these. This is just what we got, and this is the gray. They have different colors, and that's what we're going to use, kind of match up with ours. This is supposed to be a charcoal, but looks a little bit gray, but when it gets wet, it's back to charcoal. So so let's go ahead and start filling these in. All right, let's go ahead and start sweeping it in. Yeah, that's gonna look cool. All right, so my wife's going over the top, just the stones. You can see how it's all coming together. Actually looks really neat. And we're just gonna continue working our way down. Hey chickens. All right. All right, we filled it, broomed it, and my wife's still brooming it or brushing it off. We ran one bag short. So, all right, so back to the masonry place to go ahead and grab another bag, maybe two, just to be on the safe side. All right, so we got it all filled. My wife's just going around checking, making sure there's no little spots left. And now we're gonna go ahead and use the blower, and we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of the little stuff off the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and wet this down. All right, so we got it blown off, so let's go ahead and start spraying it. All right, so we got it all soaked down now. I love how it looks. Looks really good right now. Now we can go ahead and start finishing up our stairs down here. But yeah, we'll see. Only time will tell. We are in the finale. We're gonna finish this up today. We got one more step to pour, and then I'll go ahead and show you the footage of the completed project. We did notice with the end stones here, they're probably not fully cured yet, but they're that white color. So if it does say this, we'll try the vinegar or the nail polish remover, the acid etch, you know, the stuff that they tell you to use to try and open the pores back up. But for right now, let's go ahead and finish this last step. We'll clean everything off and show you guys what it looks like. So, all right, here we go.
just a little.
And we could actually follow that pattern.
Yeah, I was doing this side first.
Right there. Can't tell. All right, so my wife is doing a wonderful job making the markings here, and we actually took out the cement up through here so we can go ahead and put this polymeric sand in there to match it up so it looks like it all flows together. But all right, so now it's time to let that dry. All right, and that looks awesome. This was definitely a learning experience. This is so cool. Yeah, we'll let this dry and we'll finish up these, and then we can take the boards off there. All right, so that's all dry now. Let's go ahead and fill that crack, and my wife's gonna start taking the boards off the steps here. We'll see how we did. All right, let's get moving.
There more than one in these?
All right, so I did a little bit of backfilling. We're gonna have to do some more, but that is all set now. What? All right, guys, go ahead, try the new walkway out.
Oh, you finished it?
Yeah, come on, dude. And here we go.
Wow. I gotta walk through. Wow. I'm gonna try the steps. Don't walk on that.
We just did that little patch there, but.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, nice.
All right. All right, so we are finally done. Seems to work good for him. All right, so now the kids have a way to go out through the front and head down to the school bus. And we can keep this shovel and everything during the winter. But it was fun. The steps, not so much. Not so much. I'm sure there's people out here that do this for a living and they're probably making fun of us right now. But, you know, go ahead and comment down below. We love hearing stuff and we love learning and how to do it the right way too. This is just how we did it. And
it was fun and it's ours.
Yeah, and we like how it came out and it's pretty cool. So once again, we hope you guys like,
subscribe,
enjoy,
and ring that notification bell.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
It's kind of funny when like the 6-year-old said that, 5-year-old said that.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.